Okay, so the question is, how can I start using my LLC to invest in real estate? And is the income going to be separate from my own income? Well, it depends. And I'm not giving tax or legal advice. Remember, I'm neither one of those, attorney or CPA, but I know a little bit about both to be dangerous. So do check with your own CPA or attorney. But when you have a one-party LLC, that money gets rolled right up to your 1040 tax return. If you have a multiple party LLC, then yes, it's going to be a separate return. However, it does roll up to your 1040 as well, but in a different area. So hopefully that makes sense. In other words, a one party LLC, typically you don't need a separate return for. Multiple party you do. But yes, whenever we make money, no matter whether it's real estate investing, if it's rental income or flip income, it's going to be rolled up as ordinary income at some point through your tax return. Couple things to note: when you fix and flip a property, if you hold the property under a year, which if you're flipping a property, it takes more than a year, you got a whole nother issue that we're not talking about on this video. Yeah, your contractors are too slow or you are. But if you flip a property within under a year, then it's going to be short-term gains. Okay, so that's going to be your ordinary rate. If you have a property, maybe you rent it out, then you flip it later or sell it after a year, then that will be long-term capital gains. So a maximum right now of 20%. So hopefully that helps you out. Have a great day.